Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best, and in today's video we'll be dealing on doppio senso di circolazione underneath segnale di pericolo. Alright, we have other videos based on segnale di pericolo that if you have not seen, I recommend you go back to chapter the pericolo signals and look out for them. Now what I have them in playlist. You can go to playlist, look for segnale di pericolo. Okay, then you see the ones that we have done so far and you go through them. Okay, so that you don't start from here. This is not the beginning of segnale di pericolo. We have segnale di pericolo, so go and see them, the rest of them, and understand where we were coming from and where we are now. All right, we still have other chapters that you can also go through. All right, we start wasting much time before I start. Let me beg you to subscribe. I'm begging, I'm pleading. Subscribe if you've not. Like the video at the end of the video if you like what you got, and don't forget to share this video to your family and friends. All right, it is worth it, right? Okay, now let us jump right into the video. Today we want to talk about segnale di pericolo on doppio senso di circolazione. Now, what is this signal? What does this signal tell you? E se è un segnale di pericolo che preannuncia di norma a 150 metri che una carreggiata a senso unico diventa a doppio senso di circolazione e quindi si potranno incontrare veicoli che marciano in senso opposto. Now, what this signal tells us, this place you're seeing this signal, it is a one-way road. It is a one-way road. You'll be seeing the signal in a one-way road. You remember that segnale di pericolo always tells us 150 ahead of these places, 150 ahead of this danger, 150 ahead of where they are, the place they're indicating. In this case, this signal is telling us two-way circulation. It means we've not gotten to the two-way circulation. We are seeing this signal in a one-way circulation, warning us 150 meters ahead of a two-way circulation that we have to moderate our speed. Okay, so we have not gotten to the two-way circulation yet, but it is warning us ahead, right? Yes. Now I say indica quindi che termine il senso unico di circolazione e occorrere usare maggiore prudenza. Now what this signal tells us is what? One way, which is senso unico, is coming to an end. You have to use high caution, maximum caution. One way is coming to an end. Remember, we'll see the signal in the one way, telling us 150 meters ahead of two-way circulation. Se a fondo giallo. Now, if you do not see it in a white background like this and it becomes yellow inside here, instead of white, it becomes yellow. È posto in presenza di lavori in corso. It is placed where there is a road work going on. Okay, ongoing road work. Where men at work are, that's where they place the one with yellow background instead of white. Okay. Il sorpasso, se consentito, deve essere effettuato con particolare prudenza. Now, this place does not stop us to do overtaking. We can't do overtaking, but that overtaking should be done with maximum caution. You should do it with caution. Non è vero che preannuncia un senso unico alternator. This does not tell us of senso unico alternator, whereby one person has to go, the other person has to come. You cannot go at the same time. That type of road whereby two vehicles cannot go at the same time. One has to wait for one to go. This is not the signal. Okay, this signal only tells us in 150 meters ahead of us, this road that is a one-way road is becoming a two-way road, whereby we will see vehicle now from our opposite direction. So where the signal is, we are the only ones going. No vehicle is coming from opposite direction because it is a one-way. But 150 meters ahead, we will start experiencing this particular signal, the doppio senso di circolazione. Okay, so where the signal is, all this place here is one way. Okay, immediately it becomes 150 meters ahead. After this signal, the road will become two-way. That means we'll start seeing vehicle from opposite coming. That is what this signal is telling. Okay. Okay. Ok, impone di dare la precedenza ai veicoli provenienti in senso contrario. This signal does not tell me to stop and allow the people coming from opposite direction to go. This signal does not do that. We have signals that tells you that. We have segnale di dare precedenza nel senso unico alternati. That tells me that, okay? But it is not this signal, all right? It is not this signal. This tells us only warn us 150 meters ahead of two-way circulation, okay? Of two-way circulation. We have the one that tell me to stop and allow the people coming from opposite direction to go, which is this signal here. Let me share this signal quickly for you. This is the signal. This red and black here and a red cycle shape that looks like a deviator here. Okay, that tells me you have to stop and allow others to go. Okay, this is signal de precedenza, but it looks like deviator because it has red cycle. Okay, but it tells me to stop. Okay, so it is not that one I was teaching. Let me go back to the signal that I was teaching you. This one does not tell you to stop. This one basically tells you 150 meter ahead, be prepared. The road is becoming a two-way circulation. All right, and that's that for this particular signal. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you understand better. If you don't understand, the comment section is wide open. Drop your questions, okay? And I will reply you as soon as I see them. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you've not turned the notification bell on, quickly go and turn it on. That anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person that YouTube will tell. Okay, so that you come and watch. You want to follow these things accordingly. Don't miss a video. Don't skip a video. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.